Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the office. You know what that means. More action-packed, fun-filled hand filing. Tonight we're doing the bevels. So in a previous video, you saw me rough grind in the bevels-ish, kind of. They didn't turn out the way I wanted, but we got them in. Tonight we do the final hand filing of the bevels before we take them over to the stones. In between those two steps, we are going to soak it in some very, very concentrated vinegar. We do that to get the last of the oxidation off of the knife, so there's no more black on it, basically. And then we take it to the stones after that. Now, I was looking at this knife, and at the end, I'll give you my thoughts on where it currently sits and what I'm thinking about doing to it. Leave a comment if you like the idea or if you think I should leave it the way it is. Fresh new haircut, gotta respect it. Let's get to some hand filing again. Okay, and they're off with the file again. All we're doing right now is going up, and then 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 up, over and over again until we're done. The nice thing about this process on camera is you will be able to see exactly the final bevel that I'm filing in, and you'll be able to follow along on with the progress through the whole video. So that's kind of fun. You know, at least you're not just staring at nothing for 10-ish minutes. Enjoy. I'll really quick explain how I set this up. You see the bolt in the middle of the board. The file lines up with the bolt, and then the knife and the file line up at the plunge grind. So that's the line. That's the center point of the filing jig. Then the edge just hangs over the wood a little bit so I don't carve into the wood while I make the bevel. And that screw is there towards the bottom so that the blade doesn't pull up as I'm filing up on the blade. It's a pretty simple design. It was very easy to make, and it works really, really well, as you can see. Voila! We are done hand filing the bevels. It took 14 and a half years to complete, but we're done. Star Wars Jammies on point. Thank you, everybody, for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button if you liked it. Leave a comment if you didn't, and let me know what I can do different to please your soul. And I'll ignore it and keep pleasing my soul. Stay tuned for the next video when we... Oh, wait. There's more. Okay, so my idea for this, right? This handle, straight doo-doo, right? Do not like. So, going with the more traditional Bowie concept, I am going... 100% I'm going to be changing this to a hidden tang knife. It's gonna be the first one we've done. This will be a hidden tang, so this is gonna narrow out. But as I was looking at it, I thought to myself, get rid of this, right? We'll flatten it off right here. Right here, we'll put some shoulders in for the tang. Then we'll fit a nice guard up to it instead of this, and we'll put the handle on from there. But I think a nice like brass guard on this would look pretty dang spiffy, and just get rid of this like massive choil at the end. We'll keep like half of it to like right here, and then this will all be tang. Well, I'll probably end up cutting some of this off. But I do not like this handle shape. It's too thin. You know, even if I put like some big scales on it, that would just look weird. So this is definitely going to be a hidden tang knife. Leave a comment below. Let me know if you want me to keep this. I mean, it's nice, right? It's nice. But this going into a hidden tang, I don't think would look very good at all. So let me know what you think. Do I keep it? Do I get rid of it? Leave a comment below if you can see my vision of just squeezing this down, right here, putting some shoulders on it, fitting up a nice guard to it, and then doing a hidden tang behind. That's the idea. Let me know if you like it in the comments. Thank you for watching. We will see you in the next video.